How to create a repository on GitHub. Want to create a GitHub repository in just second? Let's do it fast and easy. First of all, open your web browser and head over to github.com. If you don't have an account yet, go ahead and sign up, it's free. Now let's create a new repository. Click on the plus icon in the top right corner and select new repository. Simple, right? Here's where the magic happens. Enter a name for your repository. Make it unique and descriptive. Repository name, choose something meaningful. Description optional. Visibility, choose public or private. Want to make your repo even better? You can add a readme file to explain your project, or .gitignore file to exclude unnecessary file, and even a license to protect your code. That's it. Click the create repository button and boom, your GitHub repo is now live. And that's how you create a GitHub repository in just few minutes. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.